Fall is one of my favorite seasons because I'm a human being. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today I am sharing my first fall video for this year. Fall is one of my favorite seasons because I'm a human being, right? I'm sure you love fall too. And this is a Dollar Tree haul of some new fall items. I love shopping Dollar Tree for seasonal items, and year after year they're getting better and better. They're putting out such amazing stuff. It looks like stuff that you would find at Target for so much more than $1. I got a bunch of stuff here. This is from a few different trips. I've been like stalking my local Dollar Trees waiting for the different fall stuff to come out, and I finally got my hands on everything that I was looking for. I found some stuff that like I've bought in years past, some favorites of mine, and I found some totally new stuff. Also, I want to say stay tuned to the end because I'm announcing the winner of my Dollar Tree gift card giveaway. A few videos ago, it was my 100th video. I did a 100 item Dollar Tree haul. I'll link that video below, and as a thank you to you guys for supporting me this past year, I'm giving away a Dollar Tree gift card. So I'm going to announce the winner at the end, but now I'm going to jump in here. I'll grab the first thing that's sticking up here. I got some of these floral picks, and I think these are awesome. I bought 3, and I got an orange one and like this cranberry color. I think they are so pretty together. I'm probably going to stick these in a vase and just leave it alone like that, maybe at my front entryway. This would even look really pretty at like a porch. I think that looks like something you would get at Michael's or Joann Fabric for a lot more money. This is probably my favorite item I found. This is a brand new item, and I got a bunch of them. I got these darling velvet pumpkins. How pretty are these? And I got them in this like creamy color. It's almost like a champagne maybe. And I got this brown color. And then this like white color. How pretty are these together? These look like the velvet pumpkins that Dollar Tree puts out for like $3 and $5, except these are bigger than the Target ones. They're a really nice size. I don't know if it's like, if you can really tell, but they're a really great size, pretty substantial, and in beautiful colors. They had like orange, and they had emerald green and a blue, but I went with this color scheme. I think it's super, super pretty. These items here are something that I was on the hunt for. I saw other people haul them, and I was looking and looking, and I finally found them. These signs, how cute are these? I think that this is such a perfect decor item. I can't believe it's just $1. It looks like a chalkboard. This one is like for a pumpkin patch, and this one is for an apple picking farm, and the pumpkin one's shaped like a pumpkin and the apple one's shaped like an apple, and the detailing on here is great. The little leaf is metal. It's like galvanized metal. Super, super cute. They come on like a string, like a lot of the Dollar Tree signs. I'm thinking that I might glue a little hanger on the back and hang these on the wall together. If I do, I will take pictures and put them up on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram below. I often share pictures of my projects on there. If you're not following me, I'd love for you to go check me out. I got some of these burlap bows. I think they're really pretty. I got 2 pairs, so I've got 4 here, and it's got like this little leaf motif. I think I'm going to do a DIY garland for my mantle this year, and I'm going to use these in that, so stay tuned for that. I got these little wooden leaves. You get 5. They're really pretty. It's to make ornaments, so it comes with little strings, and this is something I'm going to use in that garland project. I think that's a great price for 5 of those. I got these. I absolutely love these pumpkins. Dollar Tree came out with these last year for the first time, I think, and it's such a pretty color. They have them in a bunch of colors. The white always goes really fast at the Dollar Tree. They've got orange and red, but I love this white color, and it's a little speckled, if you can see the detailing on that, and they're on these like little clips, so you can easily clip them onto things. Got this sign. I think this is really pretty. It looks like shiplap. I like that farmhouse detail and the little pumpkin. I just think that looks really kind of like elegant for $1. That's a perfect little fall sign. It says Happy Harvest. They had a bunch of these in different designs, but this one was my favorite. I got a little ceramic pumpkin. I loved the white. I think that looks so farmhouse country. Really pretty. I like the leaf. They have so many great ceramic pumpkins out right now. I buy them every year, so I didn't buy that many this year because I have so many from years past, but I bought a few more of my favorites. Oh, this was really, really cute. I've never seen this before. I think it's new. It's a garland. It's felt, and it's a Halloween banner. Let me open it up and let's see what it looks like. It looks pretty big for what it is. Oh, cool. So it's actually 2 garland. You get 2 banners. That's great for $1. So this one says Happy well, it's backwards. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. It's backwards. So you get happy, and then the other one I assume says Halloween. But it's really, really cute. Yeah, that would look really cute over a fireplace. So and it's got little cats and little spiders. It's pretty thick felt. I think this is pretty good quality for $1. That's the sort of thing that if you were at the Target dollar spot, that would probably cost $3 or $5. This is a brand new item and I absolutely love it. It's another Halloween item. It's a candle holder, so you can put a little votive there, and it's this skull with this little rose detail. I mean, if skulls can be pretty, this is a pretty skull. I absolutely love this. This will be really great for Halloween. Dollar Tree has a lot of really pretty ceramic skulls. Last year they had a bunch of great colors. This year I saw some more that I didn't pick up because I have so many from last year, but their skulls are really nice. And then this is another new item. So it's a set of candle holders, and it's like little skull hands, and you put a tea light candle in there, and it's not plastic, it's ceramic. I think that's really great quality. Like, it looks like something Pottery Barn would sell to me for their tablescape. Really love that. These are some of the new ceramic pumpkins, and I absolutely love them. I have not seen these before. I think they're new. And I love the detailing, how the ridges kind of stick out. I love the sheen to it. It's got kind of like that mermaid metallic thing going on. And these were the colors I liked best. They had a bunch of colors though. Really pretty paired together. Here's another sign. I liked this one. They had so many new signs this year. I'm trying not to pick up too many because I have so many from years past, but it's a Halloween sign, and I liked the little galvanized metal pumpkin. Again, it kind of reminds me of the farmhouse look, which is so trendy. I know we're all loving it, but I thought this was really kind of simple and classic looking. Really pretty. I love these little pumpkin signs I picked up too. These are brand new. I don't think they've sold these before, but they're like little farmhouse wooden pumpkins with a little stem, and the orange one says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Really cute. And the white one says gather with grateful hearts. So that's a perfect piece of Thanksgiving decor. I think these would be really pretty in like a kitchen by your sink. I got some burlap leaves. I don't know if I've seen these before. I got them in like a cranberry color and then just the brown burlap, and you get 5 in each set, and they come on these like little wire picks, so that's great for craft projects. I'll be able to twist that on. And again, I think this is going to go on the like mantle burlap garland project that I plan to make. This guy, I don't even know. I thought he was really cute. This is, I thought, and it's also like a great size. The woman who packed it up, she twisted this all around. She was trying to make it smaller. So it's like a little felt skeleton, and he's got a thing here so you can hang him. I thought maybe I would give this to my daughter to hang up in her room or something, but I just think he's really kooky and cute, and he's really good length for $1. I love decorating for Halloween, guys. I got some little napkins. I just thought these were pretty. I thought the design was kind of elegant and simple. I host Thanksgiving each year, so I always get stuff like this to put out for my guests. Oh, I absolutely love this one. This was something I was looking for. It's this little wooden sign. I guess it's not wooden, it's probably MDF, but it feels wooden. And it says thankful. I love the little green pumpkins. And then it's got the buffalo plaid that we all love on the sides. That's really pretty. They had another one. Maybe it's a grateful. I don't know. But I liked this design the best. Really simple and pretty for $1. I just can't believe it. I think these things look so much more than $1. So this is kind of, I'm putting it in the haul because this was, they had all the Halloween costume stuff out, and I'd never seen this tutu before. I thought it's really, really pretty. I might use this for my daughter. I'm thinking she's going to be Fancy Nancy for Halloween. She's obsessed with Fancy Nancy, and she and Fancy Nancy have the same hair. And I think this might work as a skirt for a DIY Fancy Nancy costume, but it was a really pretty design, and for $1, she loves dress up, so I picked that up from the costume section. This is something that I bought last year, and I picked up some more because I love them. I think last year was the first year Dollar Tree sold these little pumpkins, and how pretty are they? I love the green and the white, and they've got the gold stem. I just think that it looks like something Pottery Barn would sell to me, and for $1 it's perfect. I have a bunch of these from last year, but I got my favorite colors again. And then I got a little tote bag. I thought this was so cute. I'm going to give this to my daughter to use. I don't know if she'll use it as a trick-or-treat bag or not. They had so many trick-or-treat bags and buckets out, but this was by far my favorite. It says too cool for ghouls, and the little ghost has glasses on. I think that is so darling, and it's a really good size. Super, super cute. And then I think this is my last item. This is something they had last year, and I bought it last year and I bought it again this year. It's this trio of like galvanized words. I'll open it up. So you get thankful, harvest, and welcome. This is so perfect for craft projects. I did a cool like sign project with this last year, and I'm not sure what I'll do with it this year, but they're so pretty. So that's the thankful one. I think this is such a great deal for $1, and they're so pretty. Okay, welcome, harvest. You can even put these together to like make a thing. I think I did that last year. So if you want to do a DIY sign, like do welcome, harvest, put them together. Super pretty. I gotta think about what I want to use this for, and that is it. That's what I got. I found everything on my wish list, I think, but of course, like, the Halloween stuff is gonna keep coming. There's always more stuff to see at Dollar Tree, so make sure you are subscribed if you are into this kind of video. I love doing DIYs, fall stuff, lifestyle videos. I've got a ton of different stuff coming up for this season, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I will know to do more hauls like this. I love the Dollar Tree videos. I know you guys do too. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, or if you're on the lookout for something that I didn't share here. I want to know what you guys are finding. Don't forget, keep watching. I'm about to announce the winner of the gift card, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Alright guys, so now I'm using a random comment generator to pick a winner, and it's Gina Loves to Craft. She's going to be getting a $25 gift card from me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time.